All right, hey there, how are you? I'm Kim Harrington with Brownstone Realty Group, and today we're going to walk through a brand new project that we just purchased on Chamberlain Road in Grafton, Ohio. This project is going to be a really large one, and it's going to be a lot of fun to see the transformation of this one. We got almost all of the demo completed, and they're starting to run electrical wires and so on and so forth through the walls to go ahead and start to put it back together. So it's a great project for you guys to learn from. Out here up front, we're going to be redoing this front porch with a nice stone facade on the back. We purchased this property for $50,000 via an estate sale. We're going to be putting a little over $100,000 into the house to get it back into really nice shape. Our anticipated sale price here is going to be right around $225,000. You'll see a lot of debris here from work that was done today. That'll all be going into the dumpster within the next couple hours once we get another one here. Watch your step. We're going to be taking this porch down and redoing it with a nice area outside for a sitting area for the new owners. On the first floor here, we'll have a kitchen, utility room, and full bath, along with an entryway and some nice cubbies for folks to be able to put their stuff as they're walking in. So right here you're looking at what will eventually be a nice living space. The interesting thing here is as they were taking down the walls in the property, on both sides of the house and upstairs, the walls were just filled with bees' nests. So they had quite a bit of work to get rid of those bees, and they actually did the best job that they could to save the bees and let them go out into the wild, so to speak. So this will be first floor bedroom, living area like I said, and then right over here is going to be our kitchen. As you can see, we're missing a floor right now, so we're not able to go a little further in, but we'll have the kitchen, bath, utility, and entryway here. So let's take a look upstairs. All right, so coming upstairs, we're going to be putting a full bath here at the top of the stairs, and then we have 3 more bedrooms. Bedroom 1, and this whole chimney is going to be removed to open up the space in that bedroom. We have bedroom number 2, and you can actually see they're starting to get the electrical snake through the walls. And then this is going to be our master. There's actually 3 different chimneys in this very old house, 2 of which are going to be completely removed. So the one I showed you back in the first bedroom, and then this chimney is also going to be removed. Now the cool thing about this space is that we're actually going to be able to make a really nice size master bedroom as well as a full master bath. So it's going to be a great spot for the owners of the property. We'll come back in a week or 2 where we can see new roof, new windows, and then the walls being put back together as well. See you soon.